Good morning. Our project is wireless temperature monitoring system. This is our team. I'm Edim Hotling and my teammate Muhammad Azimi bin Adudani, Muhammad Daniel, Hakim bin Muhammad Yusof, Ahmad bin Muhammad Azmi, Nur Iman Maisara binti Nur Hairi, and project supervisor Dr. Aslina binti Muhammad Nasir.
So how was the idea comes? This idea comes from the problem statement. Some industries had to keep the temperature of their server room not more than 30 degrees Celsius in order to prevent the server crash. The objective of this project, the first is to make sure the temperature that being detected is displayed correctly on the LCD and notify user if the temperature is excess. The second is to ensure the safety of the machinery, and the third is to prevent server crash and decrease the maintenance cost. The material used in this project is Arduino Uno, Wi-Fi module ESP8266, LCD display, temperature sensor, jumper wire, breadboard, buzzer, and lastly LED.
This is a block diagram of our project. A temperature sensor as input, Arduino Uno and Wi-Fi module as process, being app, LCD, LED, a buzzer as the output. And this is the working flow chart for our project. The working principle: first, place the temperature sensor. Second, if the component overheat, the temperature rises. Third, the Arduino Uno will process the input data. Fourth, the data processed in Arduino sent to the brain server by the Wi-Fi module. The temperature will be displayed on LCD and in the application. If the temperature detected is more than 30 degrees Celsius, the LED and buzzer will be turned on. The schematic design. Simulation test. The result shown when the temperature is less than 30 degrees Celsius, and this is for when it's more than 30 degrees Celsius.
Then this is the Arduino coding for our project. The Wi-Fi module coding.
For the blink part, I will explain each component in this application. So first, we got two gauge meter, which is temperature Celsius and temperature Fahrenheit, and then we put the slider component for max temperature. The function is to set or adjust the max temperature to a certain temperature. Also on the screen, at the below there is two button component. One is for sound and one is for notification. And we can turn off sound from buzzer and also the notification if we don't want it, right? And lastly, if the temperature reach to what we set early, for example we set to 30 degrees Celsius, and until it reaches 30 degrees Celsius, it will pop up notification that will show a text, a high temperature detected. That's all.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Today I want to demonstrate about our project. our project title is Wireless Temperature Monitoring System. To put it simple, we monitor the water temperature from the phone using Wi-Fi connection. So for the project, we use DSB82, DSB18 B20 and Arduino Uno and not MCU 8266. So this MCU will send the temperature value to the apps, and then we use LCD 18x2 display to show the real time value. And after that, we use the potentiometer to control the LCD brightness, and we also use buzzer and LED to notify the user when the temperature is high. So we also use the Blink platform to monitor the temperature wirelessly. Okay, so now let's start our board. So as you can see here, our water temperature is at 29 degrees Celsius. So when we play on the Blink apps, so you can see that it send the value to the Blink server, and we can see that the temperature is same with the LED LCD. So let's turn on the notification and for this part, I set the value temperature as 30 degree Celsius. So let's show our example by using the hot water. Put the temperature sensor to the hot water. So as you can see at the part, when the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and above, the board will notify the user and will create a sound, also blink the LED. And at the Arduino right here, we can see that the Blink app also get the notification for the user. So and we can turn off the notification if we want it, and also we can choose to turn off the sound of the notification using Blink app. So you can see here, the LED is still blinking, but the sound doesn't have. So okay, for the slider right here is for the maximum temperature in Celsius. So this slider is for the user to set the maximum temperature for the LED to respond, so that they can notify the user when the temperature is high. So let's set the maximum temperature as 32 degree per second. Okay, let's test our board with the hot water. So as you can see here, when the temperature reach 30, the LED doesn't bright up. So but when they reach above 32, the LED start to bright up. So I mean, turn on the sound. Yes, it causes sound, and also when you turn on the notification, it will give the notification to the Blink app. So because I can also adjust the maximum value to 37 and something, then it will stop. So okay, so that's all from us. Thank you and goodbye.
For recommendation, use a temperature sensor with a higher accuracy and use a more advanced technology. The main objective of this project was to display the temperature detected by the sensor on the LCD and notify the user by using Blink application. This project has been successfully designed and developed, which the wireless temperature monitoring system project is able to detect high temperature change and to make immediate measure using Arduino microcontroller to setting and the temperature sensor to measure the temperature. The temperature value then display on LCD screen and then same exact value is also displayed on the Blink application. Furthermore, the LCD and buzzer turn on when the temperature reach the limit maximum value. This system can benefit others more as it is cost effective and has on-device display that is portable, and the unique thing about this project is the temperature sensor